This video is the first tutorial on making cartoon videos with mobile.
Then subscribe to the Cartoon Maker channel to learn the full tutorial. All kinds of tutorial cartoon character videos for making cartoon videos with mobile can be found in this channel, so Cartoon Maker channel, subscribe now.
First go to YouTube and visit the Cartoon Maker channel.
Then here you will find many cartoon characters.
Then select the characters of your choice from here and download it from YouTube. You will not be given any copyright claim for that. The videos have been copyrighted to all users, so everyone can use the videos. After downloading the characters of your choice, open Kinemater software to create cartoon videos with mobile. Then select a cartoon background of your choice. You will find all types of cartoon backgrounds in the playlist of the Cartoon Maker channel. Then select a character green skin video of your choice. Then remove the green background of the green screen video with the chroma key option. Next, depending on the character, enter your voice here. In this way you can create cartoon animations with your own age with many characters with mobile. Subscribe to the Cartoon Maker channel to watch today's tutorial and the next 2 tutorials so far.